In this video, I'll show you how to request a refund for an item in Roblox. First, open your web browser, go to the Roblox website, and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, click the Settings icon. Then navigate to Help and Safety. From there, open Violations and Appeals, then select Support. On the support page, fill out the required information, including your username, first name, and email address. Make sure you enter your Roblox username rather than your display name. Next, choose the device you're using, such as PC, mobile, or another supported platform. Under the Help category, select Purchases using Robux. In the description box, explain your request clearly. Include the name of the item you purchased, how many Robux it cost, when you purchased it, if you remember, and why you're requesting a refund. After completing the form, click Continue and follow any additional verification steps that appear. Once your request has been submitted, Roblox support will review it. Keep in mind that submitting a request does not guarantee a refund, as all refund requests are reviewed according to Roblox's refund policies. If your request is approved, any eligible Robux will be returned to your account. Otherwise, Roblox support will let you know why the request couldn't be approved. And that's how you can request a refund for an item in Roblox.